Hello, Ruchita.
Hi, Supriya.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. What about you?
I'm super cool, Akka. So, firstly, I want to congratulate you because you are being placed in two companies. It's like very happy news.
Thank you.
And I heard that you are soonly going to work with SAP Labs India. I also heard it's a very wonderful company. Is it?
Yes, first thing, SAP is a product-based company, and also it's going to offer job along with free MTech from Bits Pilani. So this is the best part of SAP offer.
Yeah, it's really a best offer. So, can you say one beautiful moment that you had in Geetam University, Bangalore?
Yes, definitely, but I can't pick one from the thousands of memory. I can say that first of all, my college experience is very similar to roller coaster ride. Many ups and downs. It goes by quickly, but most of us we don't have truly we don't have time to truly acknowledge that until it's get over. So we have don't regret in the further future. Enjoy. We have to enjoy our college life, but due to this pandemic, we all know the situation. We have to obey. That's it.
Yeah, we are missing college Akka due to this pandemic.
Yeah, all of us missing actually.
Yeah, you are missing most because this is final year for you in this Geetam University.
Like I don't think so. There will be a good send off for us due to this pandemic. There is not a chance to send off us in a very good way.
Yeah. Okay, Akka, at which semester you started preparing for interviews?
Being honest, right after the sixth semester exams, I have started preparing for the technical rounds. But I have started preparing or else I have started giving presentations, PPT seminars right at the second year itself because it builds confidence in yourself. So as we know that confidence plays a crucial role at the time of interviews. So for me, it helps a lot giving seminars, presentations around our classmates. It helps me a lot how to talk at the time of interviews without losing confidence.
Yeah, confidence is more important. So I'll also start giving presentations more.
That's very good thing.
Thank you. So I want to know in which coding language you are comfortable with.
Java.
Oh, it's like a very tough language.
It's not tough. Maybe in other perspective, maybe like in your perspective, it may difficult. But at the time of I learning Java, like ma'am explained in a practical in a very good practical way. Like when we understand the theoretical knowledge very well, so that we can apply practical. So even C, C++ also are good, but I prefer Java.
Yeah, I also heard like if we know Java, we can easily learn Python.
Yes, Python is a Python is very easy when compared to C, C++, Java.
Yes, sir. Okay, which platform you use it to execute programs, Akka, for Java?
Especially at the very beginning level, I used to do at the Coder Byte and also online compilers. But at the third semester, my friend suggested that the platform called HackerRank. So from now on that I used to do codings things on the platform like HackerRank because
Oh,
it is used to solve and improve your problem solving skills.
okay. Okay, yes, I'll also going to use HackerRank.
Very good.
Okay, okay, in Geetam University, I mean, you are going to miss this Geetam University very soon. What is your feeling?
Uh, I think like my first thought is maybe this corona should not happen so that we could have definitely enjoy our 4 years life. Maybe because of this pandemic, just we had a college experience or just 2 years only. Maybe there is I can't like there is not 100% chance that we are going to come to the college and we are going to meet. There is no chance. We have to see. Let's hope for that.
Yeah, yeah, okay. And also, I want to know what is your secret behind your success?
It's not success, but my father used to tell me about only two things. first thing is dedication, patience. When you have these two things in yourself, things goes very well. Seriously. So when it comes to patience, a practical example. Let me give a practical example. You are attending drives. You may not get selected at the first drive itself. Have patience. It's okay. Not first, second. Not second, third. It's okay. At correct time, things will come to you. Don't worry. When it comes to dedication, so be prepared for the further drives. So start preparing at the third year itself. That is, the two things makes you perfect actually.
Yes, Akka. I learned how to be very dedicated. I want to know about drives. What is it? Because I have no idea about drives. What is drives?
First thing, a drive means a company is coming to our college. They are going to select some candidates who has capability. There are going to be certain criteria. Example, TCS. TCS is coming to Geetham University. It is going to be have some criteria. Example, 60% in he or she has to be get 60% in 10th inter and overall from BTech. So only some companies allow students with backlogs also, but mostly the companies won't allow he or she having backlogs. So clear all the backlogs within 6 semesters. And also,
Okay.
and drive includes mainly 3 rounds. First thing is written test, which may call as aptitude test also. If you clear the aptitude test, next round is technical round, where you are going to ask several things like related to C, C++, Java, operating system, computer networks, these all things. And once you clear the technical round, they are going to be HR round. In offline, it has to be 4 rounds. Like after technical, there is a round called as group discussions. Even now, some companies are going to do these group discussions, but most of companies prefer only 3 rounds now due to this pandemic: aptitude test, technical round, and HR.
Okay. So
And
3 rounds we select.
I want to tell one more point also that so you may be perfect at technical round 100%, but if you not cleared the aptitude test, you are not allowed for the technical round. So before the drive, focus on the aptitude more. So focus on the aptitude test. If you clear that only, you are allowed to further rounds.
Okay, Akka. So you are selected for SAP Labs India, right? So how you cracked that interview? Like, is it
How
easy
you?
or crack that interview? Like, it is easy or moderate or difficult?
First thing is, I can say it is moderate when it comes to written test. They have asked 15 questions from Java and 15 questions from C and C++, MCQ types, and 2 coding questions. So from entire college, only 9 members cracked the aptitude test. So that's what I'm saying. Before the drive, focus on the most of the aptitude test. Maybe not just aptitude. Some companies may not ask aptitude only. Example, SAP doesn't ask any aptitude questions. They in written test also they focus on the technical round only, technical things only. So even there is a chance. So be perfect in any way so that you can crack it.
Okay, Akka. So I'm little tense. Like we are going to attend many interviews and we are going to attend many drives. So I want to
Yes.
get rid of that tension.
First thing, don't listen other things like we have to know all the things. Even they know that fresher doesn't should be 100% knowledge. They don't even they know that. So what are the things they are going to see at the time of interviews is at the time of HR round, whether the candidate is having ability to learn new things, whether the candidate is performing well what he or she has learned from the past 4 years, whether she has gained some knowledge from the past 4 years. So the panelists are going to say only 2 things. First thing, whether the candidate has knowledge from the last 4 years, whether it is technical aptitude, something. And the second point is the panelist is going to see that whether this candidate is having the ability to learn new things. So even in the example, if I am going to SAT, they are going to course, like they are going to teach me different technologies. So I have to learn. It doesn't mean that I should learn in the BTech so that I can perform over there. No, they are going to give several new technologies, right? So the panelists are going to see just only these things, having capability or not. That's it.
Yes, Shraddha. So I learned many things in this interview, like we should be confident and we should be dedicated towards something like work or studies, whatever. So I learned many things, and I also decided to give many presentations if college opens. And
Yeah.
if it is not open, I just want to give many seminars in online. Is it?
Yeah. Just mirror practice. Record yourself what you're saying, something, pick a topic, general topic or a subject, or do whatever you like, at least do 10 minutes so that it gains much confidence in you.
Yeah, I want some suggestions from you for your juniors.
Yeah, definitely. First thing, your resume. Before you talks, your resume talks. So whenever the panelist sees your resume, he should get to know that okay, this candidate knows this concept. So be uh, like see or else be thorough what you are writing on resume. Be prepared well whatever you write, whether it may be different courses, and learn whatever you have written on resume perfectly along with your projects. Projects plays a crucial role at the time of interviews. What you have done in that project, what is your role. So that is the first suggestion. Second thing, confident. So even the panelists see the first thing in you is confident, whether the candidate is confident or not. Third thing, be cool. Even the interviewer may not ask you all the technical questions. They may ask you problem solving skills also, or situation scenarios also. So practice that questions also. And also even fresher knows that, like even panelists knows that fresher, that we are freshers. So they only see that what I have told. First thing is capability, like whether he or she has having capability to learn new things or not. So that is very important.
Yes, Shraddha. So thank you for your suggestions. So we'll follow your suggestions because it's very good.
Thank you.
And after listening your suggestions, I came to know that resume plays a major role.
Yes, definitely. So what I have told, even before you talks, your resume talks. Remind this line, underline it. So definitely, so prepare well whatever you are writing on the resume, whether it comes to languages, technologies, projects. So, and also first thing, be honest. If you don't know the answer, also being honest, sir. I have gone this through this topic, but right now I'm not getting this answer. Be honest. If you try to bluff something, definitely panelist gets to know that you're bluffing. Even like he doesn't interview only on you are the not first candidate, right? He has interviewed so many people, so he gets to know. Be yourself and be honest. That's enough.
Okay, Asha. Thank you for this amazing interview and thank you for this amazing suggestions from you.
My pleasure.
And once again, glad to meet you.
Thank you and same to you.
Okay, Asha. Bye.
Bye.